Hi friends, my name is Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI, and today we are going to be making a crowd favorite, COSI Super Slime. So why do we love slime so much? Because it's really kind of weird. We know that there are 3 states of matter. There is solid, liquid, and gas, but slime actually doesn't fall into any of those categories, so we call it a non-Newtonian substance. So to make our slime, we just have 2 ingredients. First, right here, we have our polyvinyl alcohol. So we are going to use this nice graduated cylinder right here, and we are going to measure up to that black line. That is 10 milliliters. Okay? And we're just going to dump it right into this little cup right here. All right. And next up, we are going to use some of this greenish bluish sodium tetraborate. So we're just going to take this yellow scoop and we're just going to make 1 scoop right in there. Now, it's not slime quite yet. The last step we need to take, we need to get that lid on nice and tight, and all we're going to do is we're going to shake it. And as we shake, I can already feel it turning into slime, turning it into that not liquid, not solid, not gas, non-Newtonian substance. And if we open it up, we can see our slime right there. So you can see it's really stretchy, gelatinous. So slime is actually something you friends can make at home. There are lots of different recipes. You can look it up, lots of different types of slimes to make. So look up a recipe, maybe it has shaving cream, maybe some borax, experiment, have fun.